Now I will explain how to create the small project with the curtain walls. Okay. So as usual, I can go to find out the architectural. In the architectural, I can go to find out the wall. The wall, I can go to find out the base constant and top constant. Okay. So as usual, I can take one rectangular. I can just draw the height and width, and after that, I can go to find out this one's around 6,000, and I can go to find out this one also around the 4,000. Okay, right, 2,000 and 4,000. I did this one. Okay, so as usual, I can go to find out my wall, sorry, floor. I can go to find out the structural. So here I can go to find out the structural, and I can go to edit. So I can go for duplicate FL 200 mm. So here I can go to find out. So I can go for this one 50 and this one 50. So also I can go for 10. This one also I can just roughly I can check it, change these things. So can go to find out this one, right? Right. So I just suggest from 200. Okay. My wall floor, I can just go for okay. So as usual, I can go to find out my peak work, and I can just upload. Right. So when you go to 3D, so now you can find out. So this is my wall. So actually, this wall you can find out in the edit. I can go to preview. So exterior is the bricks, interior is plastic. So I can keep it the exterior, this one, and inside the plastic. Okay. Now I can go to find out. Uh, I have to put it in the wall near this area. So I can go to find out the edit profile. So I can go to node. So in the node, I can just go for offset. The offset I can go for around 300. So I can take it from here. Can go to find out uh, the offset like 300, like this way it's better. So I can go to find out 300 offset. And again, go to trim this area. Right. So I can go to find out here's something trim by something. Yes. Okay. Now I can go to find out here. So I did this in the front side. So I cut this board here. Okay. So here is 300. So all 300. Right. Now I can go back to my is level 0. I can take my wall, choose my cutting wall. So base offset, I can go for 300 because here I'll keep 300, and I can go for the top constant, and I can go for top constant offset also minus. I had to reduce from there around. I can put it like 300, 300, 600. So I can go for again 300. Okay. So after that, I can just go like this. And I can go back to my 3D. So here I created my wall. Again, I can go to find out, select. As usual, I can go to find out here. Can go for 900 and I leave it 2400 and here, here I can go to find out the 50 by 50 by 150 and go for 50 by 150. Right. So I can make it. So now it's done. Okay. So again, I can just select. You can go here. We can put it around. Put it 1200. Better. So I can just put it like that. So it's easy to gap. So it's done now. Okay. So I can go back to my insert. I go to find out insert. In the insert, I can go to find out node family. I can go to find out my door. In the door, I can find out the tracking more storefront. So now I can go to find out here. I can apply this one like this. So this one is yeah. Okay. So I created like this. Okay. So after that, the slab. So I can go find out my L0. Here I can go find out my roof by footprint. So it is asking for level one, yes. So I can go to find out this rectangular and I can go to find out my roof thickness and I can go for the roof offset around 600. So I can create like this. So when I apply this one, I can find out it become like this way. So after that, I can just click, go to edit. So I can go to find out my slope. I can remove the slope from both sides. Apply. So it's become like this way. So I can go for underside. So again, I can go to edit. So again, I can apply the divine slope, and here also I can go for the divine slope. This area I can remove from this divine slope, and here also I can make it like that divine slope, and I can apply this one. So it's look like this. So after that, don't forget the wall should be attached from our roof. So I can just select. So before that, I can just select. I can go for my slope around 22. So it's better created like this way. So I can just select the wall, right click, go to visible in view and take it from top attached to my roof. So it's almost done now. So I created this project like a simple project to create like this. Okay, thank you.